In this video, I will show you how to add subtitles to a YouTube video. If this guide helps you, please consider subscribing and liking the video so others can find it. So of course, the first thing we're going to do is to open up YouTube, and we're going to click on our profile picture. You're going to see it right here on the right hand corner. Then you're going to select YouTube Studio. Under YouTube Studio, you're going to select Content, and this is going to show you all the videos that you have posted on YouTube. To edit a video, we're going to click on the pencil that you see right here, and we're going to select Details. Once you're on this page, you're going to select Subtitles. You can find it right here on the left. And now you can set a language for the subtitles of the video. So I'm going to find English, United States. And you can also pick to make this the default subtitles language for your channel. Go ahead and click on Confirm. And after you have added your languages, you're going to click on this pencil right here and add your subtitles. Here you're going to select how you want to add your captions. So the first option you have is to upload a file. As you can see right here, a file needs to have every single text of what it said in the video, and also the time codes for whenever the lines are said on the video. But you can also choose to do it manually. Of course, this can take you a little bit longer. Of course, depending on how long your video is, but those are the two options that you have right now. And that's it. For example, I chose to do it manually just because it's a faster way in my case to do it. So I'm just going to go ahead and start playing my video and typing out whatever it is that I'm saying during my video. This can take you a long time, but again, it's a great way to grow your audience and also your engagement on YouTube. And that's it. Remember to subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, you can leave them down below. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!